Hello everyone, welcome back to the third CAD tutorial of iCAD. In this tutorial we'll be doing this particular sketch. We'll convert this to 3D and the sketch is available in the description below. Just click on the link and then download it, and let's get started. We'll take front plane and I will just start with the right side of the thing, and it's 50 mm. Okay. This is 40 mm, 20 mm, 20. I'll just give a I'll give the fillet later. There is a missing fillet. They have not given. There's no dimensions given in this sketch, so we'll just assume that to be 5 mm. And I'll go to offset, and yeah, the offset has to be 10 mm. Now click on the line, and yep, we need cap ends. So make sure you have checked in this box, and instead of arcs, it should be lines. Yeah, I think you can see the difference. Arcs means it will be like this. Lines means it will be a straight line. Done. And we'll extend this for 50 mm from mid plane. From mid plane, 50 mm. Done. And next is, okay, we'll give 10 mm fillet over here. 10 mm. This is given. This dimension is given, and okay, that's done. Since the fillet over here is not given, we'll assume it to be 5 mm. Yep. Okay, done. Next is, we'll go to top plane, sketch, and we'll take a rectangle, right? Okay. Now this, the dimension of this particular length is 35 mm. There's a 43 mm. Next, the midpoint of this line has to be horizontally aligned with the origin, so we're giving the horizontal, and dimension between this and this edge is 10 mm. Make sure this line is set to construction geometry, otherwise we will not get what we want. Offset geometry, this 10 mm again, and yep, we need cap ends again. Okay, now that, and yeah, I think that's it. Now we'll extrude this for 42 mm, not from mid plane but from the sketch plane, so it has to be blind. Next is, we'll take front plane, and we need to remove something. So the diameter of this circle is 36 mm. Need to make sure this is tangential with this, and the distance from the center to this is 15 mm. Next, we need to take a line and make sure it's tangential to the circle. Okay, done. Next is very simple. Just select this, click on convert entities, and then trim off the unnecessary things. Like these things are unnecessary and unwanted. We only want these two to be there, because that's the one which we want to remove from the solid body. So extrude cut. The contour is this, and for some reason it's not selecting the contour. through all both. Let's see why. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this as well, then see what the error is. Extrude cut. Okay, now I know what the error is. So now we have this profile. Instead of this line, I'm gonna make this, and I'll give offset 10 mm. Yep, done. Okay, now I'll go to features, extrude cut. The error was, since it was tangential, I don't think it could take that precisely. I mean the two contours, so that's why it must have been giving an error. And now we have given the offset. There is no tangential coincidence between the line and the curve, and it's a single sketch or single contour. Now that's it. And the next part is giving a reb. So the front plane, sketch a line from this vertex to this one here. Yeah, it's already constrained, so you don't have to worry about giving dimensions. Go to features, select rib, and make sure it is starting from the center, and the thickness is 10 mm. And extrusion direction, see this arrow, that is extrusion direction. It should be towards the body. And now select the body and keep okay. Now your rib is ready. The last is, oh, okay, it's not the last, of course. Providing the hole. Okay, it is 22 mm. The diameter of this circle is 22 mm. Extrude cut, and it's through all both directions. Yep. Okay, that's done. And the last step is providing the slot. Okay, you can either mirror the feature or the sketch. Since I don't want to add another feature, what I'll do is I'll just mirror the slot that I'll be preparing over here. Okay, now this is 20. And this is 5 mm because width is 10. Okay. And this particular arc has to be concentric with this. That's the constraint. That's it. And what I'll do is I'll go to mirror entities, select this, and select this as my mirroring axis. Oh, wait, I went to move, my bad. Mirror entities to mirror is slot, mirror about this particular line, done. Since the sketch is constrained, the mirror sketch will also be constrained. And I'll go to extrude cut. It's through all both. It can be through all both, or it can be just through all, because the plane that I've chosen is not the top plane or the mid plane. It's basically the face. And done. That's it.